Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude here with another video. I'm out at ToyTraders in Langley at their Schleich collection area. You can see they've got 3 Rexes here of the same mold but different colors. This red one is an exclusive. We got the original here, and I think this is also an exclusive. It's a very interesting paint job on this one. They're all 27. They're pretty cool. So those are nice. Different, seeing them all together like that. We've also got the cool Cerrerasaurus. I'm a big sucker for the color and the shape of this guy. He's pretty pricey. They've got some other stuff too. They got the Proceratosaurus. Plesiosaurus, pretty cute. Got the Giga. Some of the older stuff like brachiosaurus, and new stuff like the fence piece sets. They also have some safari stuff like iguanodon here, monolophosaurus. So yeah, got the decent collection here. Oh, this is also 26. What the heck? Huh? How much is this guy? 22. Okay. Interesting selection. And they've got some of the bigger sets down there and the minis as well. I can't remember if I got the Dinosaur or not. Interesting. Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed this update video on ToyTraders, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.